Wait. What is up, guys? Thunder VR here, back with another video. In today's video, we'll be exploring the brand new Easter update in Animal Company. So, I tried it before. Lots of, stuff there, you know. But, for now, what you would want to get is, maybe I'll get some ammo. And if you haven't played for a bit, there's new bundles. There's a new bundle over here, stuff here, you know what I'm saying? And if you want a chance to meet me, all you gotta do is join my fan club, which is Thunder, and then VR. It's not that hard, okay, guys? And then, I'm actually gonna bring a grappler just in case. Okay. Oh, I almost wasted my ammo. Okay, guys, let's get to it. So I have been playing for a bit. Basically, it's a brand new maze update, and you have to try to get the egg. I got it a couple times. Then I got one of these, my friends, this person who, duplicate, and we got, $100,000, something like that. So basically, you come in here, come in the forest, and then you go here. Watch out for him. Go here, and we're right here. So all we gotta do is not press the buttons, and then we won't be able to. So I'm gonna put the X there, just in case. What is that? Let's say 6. We're gonna lead my way to where I was, just in case. Just in case I forget, you know? Because I am one big freaking. Oh, I'm already out. What do you think it is, guys? Are we already here? Yo, what? Wait. Go, guys. Guys. Got it. Got it successfully. Go back to your crib. Okay, yep. Of course, hunting with babies here. I have no idea where to go. But let's just guess. We successfully got the egg. Oh, and the egg is around in money worth 1,600. I checked. But our only job now is to get back. I found a sticker. Yes, we're back, guys. Mission successful. The brand new egg. If you didn't know. Yo, I can't. Go. No. Let's go. We made it. That's what we basically, before, I'm guessing they updated the map, but because before the game was a bit different, so. Oh, and one thing I want to bring is probably MRE, but let's see how much money we get. We get around, yeah, just kind of like I said, around like 1,700. Well, guys, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for all my videos. Whoever joins my fan code first when I'm in it, which is just, like I said, that will get a special giveaway. What should I give, guys? Ooh, do I give a suitcase? That one. Okay, I will give out this suitcase for the person who comes here first, and third and fourth gets some red flashlights, and then until 10 they get a free ray gun. Okay, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video again. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.